Hi guys! Today, I will show you how to unlock your Facebook account. Nalock na ba ni Facebook ang account mo? Panoorin ang video na ito. Let's get started. Click Next and confirm your identity. Next. Next step, provide an email or WhatsApp number that can be used to contact you about getting back into your account. I use my WhatsApp number to receive the confirmation code. This is the confirmation code I received in my WhatsApp number. And then click Next. This time, you need to take a video selfie. Follow the instruction on the screen. Start selfie. Siyempre, kailangan muna nating umaura. To the left, to the right, up and down, side by side. Facebook confirmed that it was your account. Then, they send you the confirmation to unlock your account. Tandaan na ang ginamit mong email or WhatsApp number to receive the confirmation code ay siya ring makaka-receive ng confirmation message to unlock. Kapag na-receive mo na ang confirmation to unlock, you need to change your Facebook password. And congratulations! You unlock your Facebook account. That's all. Thanks for watching.